South Korea closed the curtain on its Peace Games on Sunday, with winter sports athletes dancing and singing together in a vibrant closing ceremony, although there was little warmth between the dignitaries of the United States and North Korea. The president of South Korea, Moon Jae-in, who hopes to use these games as an opportunity to engage with the North, warmly greeted the daughter of U.S. President Donald Trump, Ivanka, before offering a brief shake hands to the leader of the North Korean delegation, Yong Chol. Despite the cold body language, Moon's efforts may be paying off. The Southern Presidential Office said on Sunday that members of the North Korean delegation had expressed the North's openness to talks with the United States. Trump sat at the front and center, next to Moon's wife, while Kim, from North Korea, sat behind a line, wearing a long black jacket and a furry hat. Sitting 2 seats next to him was General Vincent Brooks, the commander of the United States Armed Forces in Korea.